teachers and my all dear friends. My name is Swara Satish Desai. I am studying thirdly. Today I am representing you a assembly prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Karagare vasate Lakshmi, Karamathe Saraswati, Karamule Govinda, Prabhate Kar Darshanam. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Rudra Nirisam. I study in 3rd standard. My division is D. Today's good thought. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile, and stand again. I repeat my thought. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile, and stand again. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Paras Chirikar. I am from 3rd D. Today, here are some important news for you. Today's international news. US makes it mandatory for all incoming passengers to carry negative COVID-19 test reports for 6 December. National news. President starts 4 days visit to Maharashtra today. City news. Today's temperature in Pune is 90 degrees Celsius. Sports news. India wins against New Zealand in cricket test match by 372 runs. Thank you.